Hi everybody, today we have a mess, so we're going to sing our pack up song. If you have little babies, you can start to sing this song to them, and it will help them learn that this song means we're putting the toys away. If you've got an older kid, it can help them through those times when you're moving from one activity to the next, which they can sometimes find a bit difficult. Okay, here we go. It's time to pack up the blocks and put them away. Pack up the blocks and put them away. Pack up the blocks and put them away. And then we'll eat some lunch. So we can sing that over and over again, and we can change what we say depending on what we're packing up and what's happening next. So here's another version. It's time to pack up the books and put them away. Pack up the books and put them away. Pack up the books and put them away. And then we'll have our bath. So kids may or may not help you with the packing up, but if you sing the song and look like you're having a really good time, I think they're more likely to. All right, see you next time.